A year and a half before he was arrested in the Colorado Springs gay nightclub shooting that left 5 people dead, Anderson Lee Aldrich allegedly threatened his mother with a homemade bomb, forcing neighbors in surrounding homes to evacuate while the bomb squad and crisis negotiators talked him into surrendering. Yet despite that scare, there's no public record that prosecutors moved forward with felony kidnapping and menacing charges against Aldrich, or that police or relatives tried to trigger Colorado's red flag law that would have allowed authorities to seize the weapons and ammo the man's mother says he had with him. Gun control advocates say Aldrich's June 2021 threat is an example of a red flag law ignored, with potentially deadly consequences. While it's not clear the law could have prevented Saturday night's attack, such gun seizures can be in effect for as little as 14 days and extended by a judge in 6-month increments. They say it could have at least slowed Aldrich and raised his profile with law enforcement. We need heroes beforehand, parents, co-workers, friends who are seeing someone go down this path, said Colorado State Representative Tom Sullivan, whose son was killed in the Aurora Theater shooting and sponsored the state's red flag law. This should have alerted them, put him on their radar. But the law that allows guns to be removed from people deemed dangerous to themselves or others has seldom been used in the state, particularly in El Paso County, home to Colorado Springs, where the 22-year-old Aldrich allegedly went into Club Q with a long gun just before midnight and opened fire before he was subdued by patrons. An Associated Press analysis earlier this year found Colorado courts issued 151 gun surrender orders since the state's red flag law took effect in 2020, 3 surrender orders for every 100,000 adults in the state. That's a third of the average ratio of orders issued for the 19 states and District of Columbia with surrender laws on their books. It is the law in Colorado, and law enforcement agencies in appropriate circumstances should take advantage of it, Colorado Springs Mayor John Suthers said at a news conference Monday, though he cautioned against assuming that the facts of the bomb threat case would have warranted a use of the law.